All right, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've made a video on this channel, and I gotta be honest with you, I was possibly going to not post on this channel. If you watched the last video, it did do really well. There was no paid advertising or anything like that, and I got 2,400 views or something like that. And in that video, if you watched it, I had mentioned that that might be the last video that I publish for like a year on the channel, because things are changing on YouTube, things are shifting in my business, and maintaining uploading on this channel particularly, and talking specifically about affiliate marketing, more in the traditional sense, right? Like you go out, you find a traffic source, you send a link to a product, and then people buy it, and then you make money, right? It's really simple. The practice of and the theory and the model of affiliate marketing is very, very simple. You pick out a product, you send traffic to it, and you make money when people buy. And so that really hasn't changed much in 20 or 30 years. Now, of course, right now we're in this AI era over the last about 4 years, where things are maybe shifting, maybe how you become a successful affiliate, that might matter. You're most definitely going to need AI tools in your marketing efforts if you are going to be an affiliate, right? And so why do I bring all this up? Because I'm going to be kind of remodeling or repurposing, branding this current YouTube channel. And you can see right here, I've got a big announcement. A new era begins. Your favorite channel is evolving. So David Mills affiliate marketing and make money online stuff right over here is now evolving, and you can see the name. It's now David Mills AI. We're going to be talking about AI tools, tutorials, and innovation. And we come over here, I'm going to show you what the banner looks like. David Mills AI, AI software workflows. And I have 682 videos published on this. We have 12,200 subscribers. And if you wanted to hire me as a coach, right? Or you wanted to join my school community where I teach all of this stuff, right? And that I've been promoting the heck out of over the last year or two. And a lot of you have been inside of that YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. It used to be called the Six Figure Freedom Club. I still have that community. You're still welcome to go and join that community. And actually, I may as well go and take you through that and actually show you. I'm going to go over here to that community right now, and I'm going to click on it, and it's going to come over here. And we've done something very cool, very interesting today, literally on January 13th, 2026. You go to the About, go click on the, I guess it could be the first link below if you want. I have changed this to free. So you'll actually see down here, you'll see free. I've changed this to a freemium model, means you can come in, join the conversation, join the community, and learn from like-minded people. Every single person in here is a paid member. I've moved this to a tier model. So if you want access to all of the courses, right? So if I come over here, I'm just going to show you real quick. We're going to go and we're going to look at the classroom, for example. If you want to unlock all these courses right here, you have to be a premium member. Some of them you can be in the free membership for a really long time. It will take time to build your account up and get like level 4, level 5, things like that, level 3. And then if you just want instant access, you just pay $27. I'm not changing the price for the premium tier, but you will be able to get access to all these. And some of them you won't get access to at all until you, like the live calls, that's about 60 or 70 hours loaded with content. I mean, literally, I can click in here. You're going to have to be a premium. But if I go in and look at this as a premium member, you get access since 2023, right here, 2024, all this information. Like, you can't learn anything else about affiliate marketing from someone that's made over $600,000 doing this than being part of the premium community right here. We've already had our first call for 2026 right here. Okay. So that's what's changed, is that this is now, and go to the About page. You will go and sign up. It's going to be free to join, right? You can go and join. And then I'd love for you to take a look around, get in the discussion, take action, right, in the community. And then when you're ready, go ahead and come and join the premium right there. So that's what's changed about that. So that's not going anywhere right now, okay? But what I can tell you is that I have a brand new community, and we're going to talk about that in just a minute. But let me come back over here and back into my slides. So we have taken David Mills, we've rebranded it to David Mills AI, right? So I still kept my name in there. You all know me as David Mills, that's my name, but I wanted to put AI in there somewhere. And so that's where I rebranded this. And so naturally the videos are going to start changing. The topics are going to start changing. The playlists are probably going to start changing. I'm not removing these videos from here, but I'm just taking a different direction in 2026 and going forward. And that's what you would want to, if you were going to hire me as a coach, back to what I was saying earlier, you would want me to constantly be testing things, constantly be looking, oh, I'm doing this. I've posted 30 videos about this. It used to work. It's not working anymore. What topics are popular on YouTube? What's changing? What's shifting right now? And I believe that I need this change right now for a couple of different reasons. But right now we're going to change that to David Mills AI. And what you're going to learn on this channel is Chatgpt, all the latest, greatest updates and tutorials and anything that's new technology, new ways to use Chatgpt and Claude and Gemini and AI image creation, AI video creation, NotebookLM. Those are just 6 that come off the top of my head. That would be enough to keep this channel going like crazy, because there's new stuff coming out on every single one of these topics every single day. I wouldn't be able to create enough content for you, but certainly these are my interests. This is what I have lived and breathed. It makes sense. When you come over here, if any of you are subscribed to me or know that I also have another channel called LearnWire, and that's right over here, LearnWire, we have 20,400 subscribers, 857 videos. This has made me hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars with just 20,000 subscribers. That's crazy, right? There are people that have 100,000 subscribers, even 1 million subscribers, that haven't even touched that kind of amount of money. And so that is what I do. I live and breathe this stuff. AI, software reviews, right? I just came out with a video today right there, right? And like right over here, NotebookLM's new AI feature just replaced my content planning system. So this type of video right here, I got 2,100 views 5 days ago. That's amazing, right? And that is a 4.2x multiplier on my channels. When you go in here and you start looking at videos that are just performing normal, but then these videos that are popping off and performing better than the average video on my channel, those are topics. Look at this. This new vibe coding app is better than Base 44. I'm getting 3x on that, 2,000 views. So when I talk about like, you have to be able to kind of pivot when necessary as a content creator, okay? And that is why, so I'm going to keep software reviews as the main part of my LearnWire channel, but I need an outlet to be able to do these kind of videos, right? I want an outlet to be able to do those kind of videos, and that's why I'm going to be doing that on this channel right here on David Mills AI, okay? And so you can expect a lot of tutorials and how-tos and like latest updates and workflows, like how to take Chatgpt and do this, and Perplexity and do this, and then use Claude to write it, right? But do your research in Gemini and then turn it into a video using NotebookLM. So that's what we're going to be doing on this channel, right? So you want to stay ahead of the curve, get the latest updates on all your favorite tools. So if you're watching this video, you came across it and you happen to not be subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Just go and push the subscribe button so that you can get the latest updates right there, okay? So I'm going to go over just real quick why the change, an honest look at why I'm evolving this channel and what it means for you, okay? So the landscape has shifted right here, okay? The landscape to traditional affiliate marketing and making money online content is sort of old now. The strategies I've taught absolutely work, and they still work in 2026, but fewer people, I believe, are actively searching for, especially like the younger crowds, right? The people that are not my age, 40 years old, the new up and comers, the 20 and 30 year olds, they're not as interested in like traditional SEO or traditional affiliate marketing, right? So I believe fewer people are actively searching for how to do affiliate marketing type stuff. AI is certainly a part of almost every search now if you're trying to be an entrepreneur and grow online. So following my true passion, I just kind of went over that. I live and breathe software tutorials, reviews, and AI. If you know me from LearnWire, you've seen how passionate I am about this space. It's time to fully embrace what energizes me the most. So I'm going to be focused on deep dives. While I'll continue software reviews on LearnWire, like I said earlier, this channel will be feature-focused tutorials on my favorite AI tools, deep dives, practical applications, and real-world workflows, okay? So the money-making connection. So if I can relate any of these AI tutorials back to making money online, then of course I will. I absolutely will do that for you. The truth is, to make money online in 2026 and beyond, you almost certainly can't do it without the help of AI and software. So I'll be sharing all of this with you. So what you'll get, the latest updates on Chatgpt, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, Chatgpt, all the good stuff, right? And all the emerging AI tools coming out. Hands-on tutorials for AI image and video creation, deep dives into NotebookLM and productivity AI, practical workflows that help you earn with AI. So if you're learning how to use AI the right way, you're going to increase your productivity, your efficiency, your client outreach, your copywriting, your SEO, your YouTube as a content creator, and all those things make you money, right? But we need to learn how to use AI the right way. And so you're still going to be able to make money with this, but it's going to be different types of tutorials, okay? So a note to my affiliate marketing purists, the people that have been subscribed and passionately watching my content for years. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you. I'm not going anywhere. I feel like I'm just evolving, right? For those only interested in affiliate marketing content, I do apologize for this change, but here's the thing. I truly believe you'll get immense value from this channel moving forward. The skills and tools I'll be teaching are essential for anyone wanting to succeed online today. I'm going to end with, so why you should stay. The future of online success runs through AI. Let me show you how to harness these powerful tools. So we're going to be focusing on LearnWire. We're going to be focusing on David Mills AI, and that's literally it. That's what 2026 looks like for me. I've put that out there. Leave comments below. What are you working on? What are you trying to do in order to, better yourself, better your situation, make more money, learn a new skill? What are you doing in 2026? Leave a comment below. Also, type in David Mills AI. If you watched all the way to the end of this video right now, then I know that you actually watched till the end, okay? I'm gonna end with this. I just launched a brand new community. So both my communities are both free right this minute to join. Go join them both. If you're watching this video, this is the opportunity period. Like, this is the best opportunity right now for January 2026 to learn new skills, join these great communities with like-minded people, entrepreneurs, people that are trying to better themselves. Like I said, I just made this community freemium community. So if you've always wanted to get in it, but you just didn't have 27 bucks to join, you can come and join for free right now. So go join YouTube Affiliate Accelerator and learn how to do YouTube, learn how to be an affiliate, and so forth, okay? We have people literally in here typing right now. You can see the 3 little dots right there. No, I just launched a brand new community right now on January 13th at the time of making this video. I literally launched this about 2 or 3 hours ago. And look, I have 11 membership requests pending right now. We already have 35 members. And what I've said is that all the first 100 are going to get free access to this. And then after that, it's actually a paid community. This is where I'm heading. I'm going to be promoting the heck out of AI software workflows. This is where I'm going to spend my time and my life this year building this to be the best AI software community on school platform. And so this will be a tier. There'll be different tier levels, right? Even the standard tier will be a paid membership. No, it won't be that much. It's going to be like $5 or $10 a month. But I want serious people that aren't in here to spam, people that are really in here to learn, to share, to grow. And so that's why it will be a paid community. But right now, for the first 100, we already have 11. So, I mean, right now I can go and accept all these people. We're going to be at 46 now. At the time of recording this, like, there's going to be 50 people in the community. I don't know what I'm going to do. I might keep it open for one more day, see if maybe we get 150, 200 people. I don't know, but it's going to go to a paid community in like the next 24 hours or so. You can see how fast it's growing. Just in a couple hours, we've already got that many members in here. So I'd love to have you come and join AI software workflows if you're interested in learning about software and taking your business and software and your toolkit and your workflows, software stack, cut out all the noise, get clarity in your business, and you want all that, then you're definitely going to want to partake in AI software workflows, my latest community. This is what it looks like right over here. So thank you so much. Both links to both communities right now. If you're watching this on January 13th, January 14th, both of them are going to be free. The YouTube Affiliate Accelerator, that's going to be free going forward. Really awesome, right? But right now you want to go and join both, because AI software workflows is not intended to be a free group. I'm only doing it to launch, to get like 100 or 200 people in there, to get some action going in the community, get some really good people, and then it's going to be flipping to like $5 or $10 a month. Okay, so hopefully I made that very clear. Thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate you guys. I love doing this. You can tell I'm passionate about this, and I'm going to be focusing on what I've learned too is that I need to narrow my focus. I want to help people use software and use AI and create workflows that help them in their business, that can actually help them move the needle to actually start making money in their business. And it doesn't always have to be with, here's how you do affiliate marketing, right? That's a very specific way to make money online. But when you actually have the knowledge to either vibe code your first app, you don't have to be a YouTuber to go out there and sell that app on different marketplaces, or create an app, do client outreach and say, hey, I can build a software for you. I can build a website for you. There's so many things that you can do with AI software, your software stacks to increase efficiency in your business and so forth. So I'm very excited about this. Hopefully you guys will be too. So when you see these new videos, I might put a link to this exact video for the next month in every single description, just saying, hey, why I made this change. So if people are really interested, they can come back and they can watch this video and they can see, hey, why did they make a pivot? I think only the best people make pivots when it's necessary. It's time to make that pivot. And who knows, maybe every couple of months, maybe if you guys really like income reports or, something like that, maybe every once in a while I will, do an update video or something like that has more along the lines of an income report or making money online. But generally speaking, the channel is shifting directions to AI and software tutorials. So thank you guys so much. Go sign up to these communities real quick. They're both free. Thank you. I'll see you very soon. I'll actually be putting out a video tomorrow, so you'll see my first kind of tutorial. And if you made it this far in the video and you want some Claude tutorials, or you want NotebookLM, or how do I do this with AI? How do I do that? Leave those in the comments below and I will start making videos on those. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.